We got an Oriole at my bird feeder right now. An Oriole, ladies and gentlemen. What's he doing so far from Baltimore? I have no idea. But, ooh, there's his buddy up there. They must be on their way somewhere else, like passing through, because they do not live around here. I would have seen them before. They are, so there's two of them now. I think the one on the bottom is a male and the one on the top is a female, because the one on the bottom tends to be the leader. This is like the third time they came back to the feeder this morning. I'm getting some pretty good footage of them right now. I was taking footage of them before and I spooked them a little bit and they flew away, so this is pretty good. I know you guys are just think I'm a nerd or whatever, but in 3 years I've lived here, I've never seen an Oriole here, so I didn't even think they were in Arizona at all. So just kind of cool.